So I'm Goan. I'm based in South Goa, but I've never really come to Fontanas and explore the place. And I've heard it's such a big thing. Like everybody posts so many pictures, clicked at Fontanas. So I'm super excited to be here today and check out what Fontanas is all about.
The Fontainhas of Panjim are famous for two things: the colorful Portuguese style houses and the many Instagrammers and YouTubers trying to get the perfect picture and videos for their feed. The narrow lanes of the Fontainhas are perfect for a long walk, but you would have to look past the obvious and take a side street or two to really appreciate its history and culture. To get to the Fontainhas, you want to start at the post office and then enter the South Ome Road. This road is called South Ome, and on either side are houses that are constructed in the Portuguese style. They're very colorful, many of them are painted in bright blue and red. There's not much traffic on this road, so it's a great place to take a walk. And if you want to take pictures for your Instagram, these houses will serve as an excellent backdrop. If you guys come here, you probably notice that a lot of houses here have roosters on their roof. It's really strange, and there's a very interesting reason why that is. During the Portuguese time, the rooster stood for integrity and justice, and if you had a rooster on your roof, it meant that you were showing your allegiance to the Portuguese flag.
This place is filled with such beautiful looking houses, but every once in a while you'll see these houses with so much of overgrowth, and it's really, really sad to see that certain places are not really taken care of. Yeah, look at this house. I'm sure it was such a lovely looking house, but now there's so much of overgrowth and it seems like it's completely destroyed.
Our next stop is the street called 31st de Janeiro. 31st January 1891 marks the date when the first Republican revolters were martyred in Portugal.
I just found the best bakery ever.
The Confiteria is a small, warm, family-run bakery which has sold Indo-Portuguese goods to tourists and locals for over 100 years. Enter the bakery and you'll be treated to the smell of freshly baked bread and the warmth of this century-old oven. They produce a lot of awesome baked goods that are must-tries. They've got a huge menu board placed inside and everything on it is quite affordable.
There were so many things in there, I just couldn't make up my mind as to what to buy. So I bought bow biscuit, cake, patties, bulina, cupcake, kalkal, kormala, plum cake, bibinka, dodol. I'm gonna get fat.
The Confiteria has a nice little space outside the shop for you to sit and enjoy your food. But they don't serve drinks here. So if you need some coffee to go along with your food, head on over to the Bombay Coffee Roasters that's just down the road. Bombay Coffee Roasters has a very nice modern decor. They have plenty of books to read and games to play, and the view from the building is good as well.
We've ordered iced Americano for both of us because that's absolutely what we like, and 4 cheese strings.
Yup, the coffee was awesome, but there's a lot more you can do in the area, and so here is a quick list. You could look at the street art and the wall art. Some of these are very good examples of creativity. You could also check out the colorful stairs. These are right next to the church, and they may be a great place to get your next selfie.
It's a long way up, but there's nothing up there.
A short walk away is the Church of Immaculate Conception. This is a massive church and it's definitely worth visiting.
We are sitting here in this beautiful restaurant in Panjim Inn called the Veranda Restaurant. It's located in the middle of Fontanas and I didn't even know it existed being a Goan. It's amazing, love the vibe, love the scenery and some really good treats on the menu as well.
But for those of you who want to immerse yourself in the culture just a little bit more, I recommend a walking tour with Soul Traveling. This is Leroy and Joshua and there are guides for the day. One of the reasons why we recommend this activity is because of the access it provides to hidden gems like this one. This building is a 2-storied mansion that has existed in the Fontainhas for the better part of 2 centuries. It's filled with treasures from across the Portuguese Empire and we've got exclusive access to it today.
Basically, just to give you a brief, this house was built in 1837. And the thing is, at that time, Goa and Portugal Goa and Macau were both under Portuguese rule. So a lot of trade used to happen there. So if you see most of this furniture, a lot of it has come from Macau.
It's quite heavy also. I feel like it's gonna just collapse.
No, nothing. Yeah, then you have to lift the second one. The second guy gets lifted along with it. Now, simple system.
People in the past used these shell windows to let in enough light to light up the room, but also ensure privacy. If you wanted more light, you could obviously use the veranda. It's got an awesome place to sit and a swing if you're feeling adventurous. And let me not understate how good the views from this place are. Well, that sums up our Fontainhas experience. This place is a definite must visit the next time you're in Goa.